So real quick, I'm going to show you how to calibrate this new thermostat. As you can see, this dial just free spins on here when these two screws are loose. The actual adjustment is made by varying the tension on that spring in the center there. What I've done is put the probe into this refrigerator and let the pressure or temperature equalize for about an hour. And I can show you what the temperature inside the freezer is once I plug in my probe. And you can see we're running 35 degrees in there. And again, this probe is just clamped right on the probe for the thermostat. So now we're going to switch it back into continuity on our tester and put our probes back in. So we can now check on here on these two terminals. You can see we have continuity right there. Now what we're going to do is adjust it until it opens those contacts. When it opens those contacts, that's going to mean that the temperature that the probe is in there is satisfied. So let's see, we're just going to turn this. Heard it click there. You can see no continuity. Now we're just going to turn it back to the right until it clicks back on. Or turn it till it clicks back on. Right there. Should have continuity again. Then we'll turn it back to the left. So right between those two, that is our 35 degrees. So we're just going to spin this dial over. Right there, which is 35 degrees. We're going to tighten down those two screws, and then this thing has been calibrated to only set the lowest temperature it can be set at is 35, and then we can turn it up to 45 or 40 or wherever we want in that zone, and it should shut off the thermostat. So I actually just stuck my probes in there so it'll be a little bit easier to show you, but right now thermostat is set at 40. This thing is 36 degrees, so this is not bringing on the condensing unit. And then when we turn it down to like 35, you can see it suddenly closes that contact, and that would bring on the condensing unit and it would cool it down. But when we have it set to 40, then it's off because right now it's colder than that. So we should be good to go.